Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're having a nice day. Sorry, I know a lot of you have been expecting a video from me for a few hours now, but well, this is a video, but it's not a video of me cutting something or showing you how to do something. The last couple of days and weeks have been pretty uncertain for a lot of people because of all this thing going on. So I've really not been doing any work for a couple of days, so I wasn't able to film anything, and I've been at home. Okay, I've been at home, and I advise that for those of us that can afford to stay at home and not go to work, I would advise that we do that so that to minimize the spread of this thing. But that doesn't mean that you guys will not get tutorials from me in the future or while I'm self-isolating. There are videos coming. I have a lot of pattern paper, but it will probably not come as frequently as it used to because there's a lot of work behind these videos. You guys might not realize that, but there's a lot of work. There's the shooting, then the editing, and you guys know I like to go over the top of my editing. There's the editing and the voiceover and all of that takes a lot of work, and I don't have the power right now. Most of the work I would have to do at home, and sometimes I had the luxury of taking my computer to the shop to edit, where I have my generator, a powerful generator and stuff, but I don't have that at home. And as you guys know, if you live in Nigeria, you know that we can't really depend on electricity, on NEPA for anything. So I would try to put up videos on the channel as often as possible, but maybe not as frequently as possible. So because of this, I think I want to start a WhatsApp group, or I'll start teaching online instead, because it's going to be less dependent on electricity. I believe if I charge my phone and if I use my phone to film whatever I'm filming, I won't need to go through the process that I do with my camera. So I'm going to be doing more of that. I'm going to be doing more of WhatsApp tutorials. So if you're interested, I think that's what we'll be doing. I'll put a phone number on the screen. You can send a WhatsApp message. Please don't call the number. Send a WhatsApp message to this number, and we'll get talking. I think I'm going to do a master class on some things, on how to cut some things, and also maybe how to piece some things together. I think I'll do a master class on trouser pockets, jumpsuits, shirts, corsets. I don't know, I'm still trying to wrap my head around, but if you know that you're interested in WhatsApp classes, please send a message to this number. But those classes will not be for free, but it won't break the bank. I intend to charge only 3,000 naira for maybe like 2 weeks. So, and I think it will even be a lot better for the both of us, because I can get to see you guys face to face now. And for those of you that be at home that be studying from the house and trying to improve yourself, we'll get to see ourselves face to face. Maybe even if you're working on something like a project or something, and you're confused and you're stuck, you can ask me, and maybe we'll make a video call, and maybe I would help you out. I'll probably help you out with that. I think that's good. I mean, it's not as if I'm going anywhere or I have anything better to do. So no wahala, sha. For those of you that can self-isolate, have a nice day. Bye bye.